Hugh Humphrey?
That's my real name.
Okay, we have Hugh Humphrey flying a lock beige cannon on a K-557. It's going to go to about a mile high. The rocket weighs... What?
K456.
Okay, I can't read. K456, about a mile high. Has one of the neat things there. We should have a probe at the top and a maniac behind 450 feet. Something like that. Are we ready? Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition. Yes, we like it.
That's a lot of sparks.
Yeah, we like it. We like it. We like it.
That works for me.
Holy cow, that thing is going. Deploy.
Come apart. Come apart.
Deploy.
That's fine.
There it is.
That's fine. You're where you're supposed to be. Good job. Yeah. It's okay if it's got to come over the top. Yeah. That one definitely has. Yeah. It didn't go that high either. It didn't go 5,000.
3,000.
Yeah.
3,100 actually.
It's gonna come right back to us.
Yeah. It's the main deploy?
No, it shouldn't deploy yet.
About 450 feet.
Oh, we actually did change it this time?
Yeah, we changed it.
And you got the drone exactly where it needs to be. See how the nose is pointing away from the other part of the rocket?
Yeah.
And we're getting close.
Should be deploying any second now.
Should deploy right now.
Come on,
I guess
deploy.
I'm wrong.
Deploy.
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 Oh, geez.
Nope.
That's not good.
Not gonna happen.
Did it say the main deployed, Chris?